Welcome to Cook Smarts. We're so glad to have you here and help you with your meal planning. There's a lot, the service is really powerful. There's so many features, and I want to just give you a quick tour today of all the ways we want to help you make meal planning and dinner making better. So every week we offer a menu of the week. You can kind of go down here and scroll through all the various menus we have been making since 2013, May of 2013. And you can start from one of our pre-made menus. We create these menus to be optimized for food waste to make sure you're trying a lot of different cuisines, or you can go ahead and make your own custom meal plan. Choose the week you want to make the custom meal plan for. So there's a lot of different ways to customize it, and whatever the latest menu you're working on will be here, my current menu. Whatever the one menu you've touched last will be there, because we're assuming that's the one you want to be cooking from. So let's say I am going to start from the week of December 16th, 2024. And I'm going to go through and look at what Cook Smarts has going to make the menu that Cook Smarts has made for me. And let's say there are things that you're just like not excited about. You can easily remove them. You're just not feeling the chicken chimichangas. You can go ahead and remove them, and it'll just pop down to the bottom. You can always restore it. And for each of the meals, we have a gluten-free, a paleo, and a vegetarian option. We only photograph the original just so we can bring you as many options as possible for the least amount of money as possible. So don't be alarmed if the photos don't change as you're toggling through the different diet variations. And I have chosen 8 serving sizes here for this one because I want leftovers the next day. So you can also go ahead and customize for serving sizes as well. And let's say you want to add a meal from because you have some frozen chicken thighs in your freezer that you want to use up. So you can go into add a meal and search through our archives, and it'll bring up all of the meals that we have chicken thighs used for. And let's say this sheet pan Indian chicken and broccoli looks good to you. You can add it to the menu. And then I'm going to go back to the week of 12/16, and you'll see it down here below. So once you're all done creating or customizing your menu, you can go to the grocery list and see that everything is already organized for you based off of grocery store sections. And you can also add anything additional you might need. Like this week, I know I need some baking powder. I'm going to add that. And then we have this really cool feature called Add Weekly Staples. So weekly staples are the things that you specify in your account page. You can go into your account and specify the things you want weekly. Like for me, it's milk, eggs, baby spinach. And so once you hit add weekly staples, those things will automatically be added to your list. So that's pretty cool. So let's say we are done with the menu. You can go, if you're back in the home page, you can always go back to my current menu. That's the one, you touched the most recently, and you're ready to cook your Korean spicy pork and vegetable stir fry. You can go in and you can go into start cooking mode, and that'll take you into this nice, very clean, toggled way. So you're not scrolling up and down for, what's the amount of spice I need or what's the amount of this. So you can toggle back and forth between the ingredients and preparation. And then you can also go ahead, once you're done making the meal, we have, if you're interested in the nutrition facts, this is we're the only recipe site that does this. We have a kind of a smart nutrition label where, let's say you are trying to reduce your cholesterol. You can tap into cholesterol and see what are the different ingredients and how they kind of add up to the overall macros. So let's say in carbohydrates, you can kind of see like, okay, if you're trying to go low carb, you can reduce the amount of rice you eat. So you're getting smarter, nutritionally more savvy as you're making your meals. And then of course, we would love for you to leave reviews and share your thoughts. You can also see the reviews of other folks down below to help you with your cooking. So that's just one of the many ways that we plan on helping you make dinner easier. Another option, of course, is to go into custom menus if you want to create your meal plans completely from scratch. We really recommend this for folks who've kind of been using us for a little while and kind of know some of our recipes. But you're also, of course, welcome to give it a try by creating a custom meal plan. It'll ask you what date you want to create the meal plan for. And then you can decide if you want to start by searching meals or you want to start with an empty calendar and fill it up. So different ways for you to make your meal plan. And of course, we invite you to just go through the menu, this nav menu, and just kind of look through everything. We have lots of meals, lots of different ways to search, whether it's by ingredient, by proteins you might have on hand, by cuisines, by different tags. And then we also have collections. So these are your collections that you've made. You can create your own collections in many different ways. You can add a new collection. We automatically make collections for you with the meals that you've made. Anytime you check off, I've made this meal, we put it in this meals made collection. Anytime you favorite a meal, we put it in your favorites collection. And all your 5-star reviewed meals and 4-star reviewed meals are automatically put into collections as well. And then you can create your own personal collections. We have Cook Smarts collections that we've created for you to help you better navigate all of the amazing recipes we have. There's just a lot of ways to make this meal plan service completely yours and personalized and really take the headache out of planning dinner. If you have any questions as you're exploring our vast archives, our collections, any of the features, please feel free to email us at hello@cooksmarts.com. Thank you so much, and we're so excited to have you in the community.